Hello students, today we will discuss few more problems of exercise 3.4. So the question here is, from the pair of linear equations form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions by elimination method. So we had discussed earlier question 1 and question 2. Now question 3 now. I will read out the question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So, it's a 2-digit number. So, we don't know what is that 2-digit number. So, let the unit place digit be y. You can take it x also, but I am taking y. Let the unit place digit be y and tens place digit is equal to x. So original number which will be formed is 10x plus y. Unit place digit will be y into 1 and tens place digit will be 10 into x. That you know the standard form of writing a digit in the standard form. So original number we get is 10x plus y. They said reversing the digit. Reversing, so we will reverse the digit now. So unit place digit will be now x and tens place digit will be y. So with the reversing of the digit we get a new number. Now tens place digit is y, so it will be 10y plus x. So this will be the new number formed. Now see the statement given. 9 times this number. 9 times this number means original number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. So 9 times this number means 9 times original number will be equal to 2 times the new number. Reversing the digit number obtained by reversing the digit means the new number. So 9 times the original number is equal to 2 times the new number. So we have the equation from this. 9 times the original number is equal to 2 times the new number. So what was the original number? 9 in the bracket 10x plus y is equal to 2 times the new number. New number is 10y plus x. Let's solve it. 9 will multiply this whole bracket, so it will be 90x plus 9y, and 2 will multiply this whole bracket, it will be 20y plus 2x. Let's collect like terms on one side. So 90x plus 2x will go that side, it will become minus 2x plus 9y. 20y will come this side, it will be minus 20y, which is equal to 0. After subtracting we get 88x minus 11y is equal to 0. Let's divide the whole equation by 11. So we get 8x minus y equal to 0. So this is our first equation. Now see the statement earlier. What is that given? The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. This is the statement given in the problem. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. So we have 2 digit. What are they? Unit place digit is y and tens place digit is x. So their addition is 9. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. So from this statement we get a new equation. What will be that? Addition of the 2 digits is 9. So x plus y is equal to 9. So we got this two equations now. 8x minus y equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 9. And by now elimination method, we will solve this equation and get the value of both the variables x and y. So that will be your homework part. You solve it, and after solving you will get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8. And so the required number we will get is, that will be the original number. What was the original number? 10x plus y. Now put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8. We get here 10 into 1 plus 8, and so it is 10 plus 8, which is 18. So the required number is 18. So this equations I had formed. Solving part, students, you will have to do. Next problem now. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So we don't know how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees she got. So let the number of notes of rupees 50 be x and number of notes of rupees 100 be y. Now what they said, Meena got 25 notes in all, means these are the number of notes x and y. So their addition is 25. So x plus y is equal to 25. So this gives us the first equation. Now from this statement, Meena went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. So total cash amount is rupees 2000. So in the denomination of 50 and 100. So 50 rupees notes are x and 100 rupees notes are y. Their addition of the amount will be 2000. So here we get the new equation, 50 into x plus 100 into y. Total amount is equal to 2000. Now this is divisible by 50. So we'll divide both sides by 50. We get x plus 2y is equal to 40. So we got the both equation 1 and equation 2. So students, you will solve this by elimination method and get the value of x and y. So on solving this equation, we get x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 15. So x is nothing but the 50 rupees notes and y are nothing but the 100 rupees notes. So number of notes of rupees 50 is 10 and number of notes of rupees 100s are 15. Next problem now. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So we don't know what are the fixed charges and what are the charges for per day. So there is one fixed charge and charges per day. So what they said, a lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days. There are fixed charges, and thereafter if the books are kept, then there are charges per day. So let the fixed charge for first 3 days be rupees x. We don't know what are that. So let the fixed charge for first 3 days be rupees x and additional charge per day thereafter be rupees y. Now Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. So now this 7 days will be divided in this format. What is that? For first 3 days the charges will be rupees X, and for remaining days, that means for 4 days, the charges will be according to that is Y. So here we have the first equation, X plus 4Y is equal to 27, means first 3 days is X and remaining 4 days means 4 into Y, and their addition comes out 27. So X plus 4Y is equal to 27. Now let's make from this statement, Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. 5 days will be bifurcated in this manner. For first 3 days charges are X rupees, and for remaining 2 days the charges will be rupees Y. So we have the next equation, X plus 2Y equal to 21, means here X is the charges for 3 days and charges per day for remaining days, that means for 2 days is 2Y, and their total addition comes out 21. So we got these two equations now, and then by elimination method, students please solve it, and what answer we get is, solving equation 1 and 2 we get X is equal to 15 and Y is equal to 3. So X is nothing but the fixed charge and Y is nothing but charges per day. So here fixed charge for the first 3 days are rupees 15 and additional charge per day thereafter is rupees 3. Student, I hope you must have understood these problems. I had not solved by elimination method. That part is homework part for you. You please do it, and any difficulty you have, you can ask the question. Thank you.